Hi, it's Melissa with CampaignCouncil.org. Are you thinking about embarking on a capital campaign? Before you dive in, let's walk through 6 essential questions to ask to determine your capital campaign readiness. Number 1, is there a quantifiable benefit? Step 1 is understanding the tangible benefits of your expansion or new construction project. Conduct a needs assessment, formally or informally, to clarify how expansion will advance your mission and benefit your constituents and your community. Be able to express this. Number 2, does our board support the project? Interview each of your board members individually or ask an independent party to. This should ensure that each member is fully supportive of the project and that each is willing to make a personally significant commitment to the campaign before proceeding. Number 3, are our numbers current? Your budget should reflect up-to-date costs with estimates that are less than 1 year old and that include your pre-campaign expenses, like architect or consulting fees. Make sure it's realistic and complete. Number 4, do we need a feasibility study? If you can answer absolutely to these additional 4 questions about donor support and leadership experience, then you might be able to skip the feasibility study. The questions are, do you have a donor-approved case for support? Do you have 100% board buy-in and a deep understanding of their expectations? Do you, your staff, and your board have strong capital campaign experience? And do you have a solid, broad base of established major gift donors? If you can't answer these with confidence, a feasibility study is necessary. Number 5, do we know the right consulting firm to hire? If you need a feasibility study, find a consulting firm with relevant experience and excellent references to guide your journey and partner with you. Ask nonprofit friends for recommendations. Interview several to learn how they work and how you would feel working with them. Number 6, when do we start? You'll need to accommodate your 4 to 6 month feasibility study, your 1 to 2 year campaign, your pledge redemption period, and construction timeline. Work backwards from your goal opening date to see if it's realistic. Answer these questions, then take action. Sign up for our free capital campaign workshop to dive deeper with your team.